In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an invoice in QuickBooks Online. So, let's get started. First things first, you'll want to navigate to the invoice screen. To do this, click on the plus new button, which you'll find prominently on the dashboard. Once the drop-down menu appears, select Invoice. This will bring you directly to the invoice screen where all the magic happens. Once you're there, the next step is to select or add a customer. Now, if you've already got an existing customer, you're in luck. Just pick their name from the drop-down list provided. However, if you're dealing with a new client, no worries. You can quickly add them by typing in their relevant information. Ensuring all details are correct is essential for transparency and smooth transactions. Now that you've got your customer set up, it's time to dig into the heart of your invoice, the details. Here, you'll start by setting both the invoice date and the due date. Make sure these are aligned with any prior agreements you have with your customer. Next, you'll move on down to the product or service drop-down menu. This is where you'll choose the items you're billing for. If you notice that the products or services aren't listed, don't panic. You can add new ones to the list right here. Following this, fill in the description, quantity, and the price for each item. Doing this accurately will prevent misunderstandings down the line. If you need to include optional fields such as discounts or shipping fees, now's the time to do it. These extras can be input seamlessly. Once you've completed all that, you'll want to move on to customization and review. First, consider adding a personalized note for your customer in the designated field. It's a nice touch that can go a long way in maintaining good client relationships. Afterwards, don't forget to preview the invoice. This crucial step shows you exactly how it will look to the customer when they receive it. It's also an opportunity to catch any errors before they're officially sent out. Finally, you have the option to customize the overall appearance of the invoice. Add your company logo, choose colors that reflect your brand, and even set payment options if necessary. All these little details contribute to a professional and polished invoice. The final step is sending out your invoice. Click on Send and Close, and whoosh, your invoice is on its way to your customer's email. But what if you want other options? You're in luck. QuickBooks Online offers several. You can choose to save and send later, save and share a link, or just save it to your records. And there you have it. You've successfully created and sent an invoice using QuickBooks Online. It's a straightforward process that, once mastered, can streamline your business operations immensely.